Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the roof modeling questions. Previously I have discussed many questions, right? About the sloping roofs, then detail line, model and reference line, then when it comes to wall layers, grids, many questions I have discussed. So if you are watching this particular video for the first time, please watch those particular videos as well. You will gain some knowledge on that. Okay guys. So yes, we'll discuss for today's questions here. So here they clearly mentioned as about the roof modeling questions, right? Then create a modeling where marked as a one dotted line without using the shaft opening. Then second one is create a opening where you marked as a two then dotted line using the shaft opening. So we have to create two openings here. Then first one is the roof. First one is we have to use the shaft opening. Shaft opening here. Then the second one is without shaft opening we have to create an opening in the this particular area. Okay, so first we'll go with the shaft opening. So using the shaft opening, so where we can the shaft opening, that is the one major questions here. So either in the architecture or structure we'll find the openings in the opening particular this area, right? So I hope is it visible to everyone. So here is an option called shaft. Click here, then select the face of the roof. So here I will click the particular area, then okay. See this. I will explain a bit after that. So meanwhile I have created the opening using shaft command, right? So now it's clear. Okay, now the second one is without using the shaft, how we can give the opening without using the shaft. Yes, that also possible. Here's the option. When we click the any object, then it will come with the edit footprint. Okay, for the floors, for rope and walls also it will come as a edit footprint. Then you can use these particular options as well, right? So here they already marked what are the things we have to cut. Before that I will turn off the define slope. I don't want any slope here, so I need a just opening part. So I have created openings, right? So now there is a high chance interviewer ask what would be the difference between these two openings, right? So here it's clearly visible. So in the shaft opening, what we do is we have used the shaft. Okay, see this is a shaft. Then we can control this one either by down or up. See this, correct? But in the opening edit footprint option, we are not able to control these options, right? If you are cutting the particular roop, it will applicable for the particular roop only, but we can't able to control like this, right? I have created openings using the shaft, then using the edit footprint option. But there will be the difference between these two. As per the IS 456 19650, I as per IS 19650, we will always use shaft opening wherever the openings is has been given. The reason is like, we can extend these particular openings wherever it's required, like this. It would be very easy and it would be very easy, right? But these kind of the openings cannot be used effectively, so that is the reason we will use shaft opening, right? So I hope this question is clear to everyone. If you need more clarification on this particular question, please do comments in the comment section. I will clarify more on that, right? So I hope it's clear for you guys. Then I will continue the other videos in the other sections. Until then, please do subscribe, share and support my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.